take care of yourself, eh?
No, can't have who said it. You may have chicken now. Elawagile Danya, but Danya, you know, so bad. And give one boat and a cigar, but I don't want to bonnet. But I don't want can I'll come. You know, open the guy.
I will manage when you come sweet again.
I'm a mamma.
Don't let her
Oh, yeah, I go sweet and on. Huh? Baby Anna. Ellen, come up, give like a what and then go sweet again, not sweet mother. Sweet mother, and then on your wife, good sweet mother. Oh, yeah, one. What are you doing here, Mr. Black? Mokoji. And then on game, what are you doing here? Okay, Sinaja. What are you doing here at this time of the day? Walking back on order. I fight to her family. How did it? Give your gun and I didn't want you. Why you don't unpack? You don't know why you don't know. Not where we do. Can't you see that she's money? Give your gun up. This is a stupid idiot. Who is this man and what is he doing here? Start talking.
Onyebu generator.
Generator Nago Klista.
Onyebu generator.
I won't Nago Junaka. You're a stupid man for calling me generator.
Who is this madman?
I won't go. He gets a bit of I
am taking up on your walk.
I know
I am taking up on your walk. Where we are there when your husband was sick? Where we are there when I was suffering? Raising your family, doing all sorts of things just to make sure you and your children are okay. Now your husband died. Happen go. I'm a monkey bastard to go Kurune. Also, took over my wife. Oh, Yoku. Also, the damn she come and take over you. Also, what is now? Piam. How you do it, Shaka? We go about them. Pianga, no. Every other black man I know, they are doing wonders out there for the society. This kind of black man on the wrong guy. I think I will die.
Oh, Jesus,
who are you? Oh, my consignment.
Sister, who is this man?
Sister.
Yeah, one them working on Kaduna now. But I might make a way to my name here. You cannot judge to my name. Why you put some name with you? Yeah, one them work at Kaduna. Oh, but I'm sorry, man.
After Monyake, Onyeke, who are you?
Oh, I don't know.
Who are you? Or some Onyaboga?
No.
Onyaboga, you couldn't with him number. When did you pay bride price? Is that what I'm saying?
Hey. Oh, now you. Tell me. Did you call me?
You could make poker. You could make poker.
I'm
not money. You want to have a friend the game one year. You want a pastor game 1 year. And when you give a moku to family can Okuchuku is meant to speak in the church. Anybody will come home here and I will go to and too danger. I don't like Okuchuku. Okuchuku was ready to go to 2 edges saw. I got one Okuchuku Yakroto. You are
not my in-law. I'm not your in-law.
Also?
Eh? You should be ashamed of yourself. What type of a man are you? Sister? These are the type of men you should run away from.
Huh.
You see men that highly insecure like this, they do the worst behind you. And because of what they do, they will think you are doing the same thing. You take a step, they will shout. You want to drink water, they will shout. You want to do this, you shout. Eh? Look at how she's complaining. The other person will come, you complain. The other person will come, you complain. Eh? Are you the only one? Are you the only one that cares for her?
Your sister will look at her, baby. I know she's too loose. How do they lose? You don't know what on your son. Oh, him nature, but she know they fear anybody. Any man will pass her way. She like her, she's body to the sweeter. That is why I'm overprotective. What is that?
Or the two loose? You are vibrating over a widow. Or the two loose? Who you? What are you?
How can we do you a fempe?
Eh?
What are you? I'm not Shiruzo. You a fempe?
A fempe on the Shiruzo. Does this thing block road?
Before I get a generator continue, let me be going. But what you should know is, see this type of men, avoid them. They will stress your life. Stress from here to there.
I'm telling you.
I'm a Valentine.
I'm Valentine for the guy. No, I don't know looking.
I'm a Valentine.
Ebana hoge. Ebana bamba. Ebana hoge.
No, because you might be able to go outside and come with you.
Never go.
When you go back home, meeting, make sure come out this morning clothes. You need them one jabba. Your body to the bar. No one when here with here. And you get a penny. You get on at Tamahwana. You Joma, kill your mask. You look why.
Sister, as a man, I think I've missed my flight. I will stay.
Mbamba flight to go time now. Come to
I've missed my flight. So we need to talk more because I don't trust him. We need to talk more. And we need to stay. So, you will come back later. I need to I need to discuss with my sister. You will start going.
I bet it's a wall. Maybe not give you quiet bank. Although some guy allow. I don't think I see on a command of wine. You get one never wine. You are something and stuff.
Like I said, do everything you can to know the people you keep around you. Not this type of people.
Not this type of man. I wouldn't do more than I told him, Kenya. And then you did more than I got out of him. I know I can't more from people. The problem your husband sick. Nobody came. I was the only person here. I was the only person taking care of you. Now your husband is no more. When they should go there, cause they see veranda pool, cause they sing capata. Every dome will never be a channel. I don't know about my family. I don't like it. Forgive me today. You put my pambeno. That's my happy go. She now poor because you are here now. She will now poor, no, but the long. I will never come here. We got somewhere to go. Maybe the valley lebeno. I'm out of fun. She now poor. She might go when the monarch for you.